Let's speak slow English listening and shadowing.
3 years ago, I could not speak. Not even one simple sentence. I studied English every day. But nothing really changed. I watched many videos online. I learned many new words. I studied grammar for hours. But I still felt stuck. One day something happened. I tried to speak outside. A simple question only. But I could not answer. My mind went blank. My heart was beating fast. I felt very embarrassed. I just smiled and stayed silent. That moment changed everything. I felt very frustrated inside. I asked myself one question. Why can I not speak? I study every single day. But I cannot say anything. That night I realized something. I was learning the wrong way. I was only watching English. I was not using English. I was afraid to speak. I wanted to be perfect. But perfection stopped my progress. It kept me silent. The next day I changed. I started very small. I said one simple sentence. I'm learning English. It felt strange at first. But I did not stop. I spoke to myself daily about small, simple things. I said, I am eating now. I said, I am walking outside. Every day I repeated. Again and again. Slowly something changed. My brain became faster. I stopped translating everything. I started thinking simple. I used short, clear sentences. I did not overthink. I made many mistakes. But I kept going. At first I felt uncomfortable. But later I felt stronger. After 1 week, I felt small progress. After 1 month, I spoke more easily. After 3 months, I felt very different. I was not perfect, but I could speak. I could answer simple questions. I could express my ideas. That was a big moment. I felt very proud. Then I understood something important. Speaking is the real key. Not watching. Not memorizing. But using English daily. That is what works. I built a simple habit. Speak every single day. Even when I was tired, I still practiced. Even 5 minutes was enough. I never skipped a day. I also used shadowing. I listened and repeated. This helped my pronunciation. And my speaking speed? I kept everything simple. No complex methods. No pressure on myself. Just daily practice. 1 year later, everything changed. I could speak comfortably. I could have real conversations. People could understand me. I felt confident. Not because I was special, but because I was consistent. I stopped being afraid. I started taking action. Now I want to tell you, you can do this too. You do not need talent. You need daily action. Speak every single day. Even small sentences. Do not wait for confidence. It comes after practice. Do not wait for perfection. It will never come. Start now. Start simple. Use your voice. Repeat again and again. Build strong habit. If I can do this, you can do it too. Now take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Say this with me now. I will speak every day. Again, say it slowly. I will not be afraid. One more time. I will keep going. Your journey starts today, not tomorrow. Speak now and begin. Your future is waiting.
Follow me. Slow English. Listening and shadowing.